Go on, give it a wiggle.
Oh yeah. Bloody love you, babe. Hello, welcome to the Goodwood Festival of Speed. What a wonderful way to start a video. Bloody brilliant that we're here.
Hundo.
Thank you very, very much to BMW for allowing us to take a bike up the hill, inviting us here, and we're just buzzing. Like, honestly, imposter syndrome is high at the moment.
So for those of you who aren't necessarily aware what the Goodwood Festival of Speed is, huge, possibly, I'll put it out there, the biggest motorsport event in the world. There are current F1, Formula F1, like previous F1 cars, Le Mans, Rally, Rallycross, historic cars, modern cars, brand new manufacturers showing off all their brand new wares, etc, etc. It's a huge, huge deal, and a very, very small select amount of people every year get the opportunity to take a vehicle up the famous hill climb, and today Stuart Hill's going to be one of them. So yeah, we're going to be riding up the hill later on one of the new R12 G /S's. Neil, that's for you. The slash is important. And yeah, it's going to be a super fantastic, awesome day, we think. So we're just going to take you around with us all day, just sort of show you what it's like, I guess, to, you know, what we need to do, where we need to sign on, what, you know, Stu, hopefully at the bottom of the hill, hopefully at the top of the hill, hopefully he makes it. I rode here in 2021 on the PC18, and I've got to be honest, it's probably one of the best things I've ever done touching a motorbike. It was just unbelievable, just feel part of something that is so prestigious. Nearly ran out of fuel. Again, Neil, that one's for you. He stood there. So yeah, I know Stu's going to have an absolute blast today. What are you looking forward to?
Everything.
Give me a more specific answer.
Okay. The experience of getting to the paddock, showing you guys what goes on behind the scenes regards it being a race event, but it actually still being like something that's a little bit more chilled out, riding up the hill in front of the house, going, just absorbing the crowd, absorbing the moment.
It's busy here, isn't it? There are
like,
hundreds of thousands of people. It feels like tens of thousands of people.
It's quite amazing to be on the other side of it. Like many, many moons ago, came here several times with my dad, and it was awe-inspiring then. And now to be the other side of that, 12 years later, taking a bike up the hill is very surreal.
It's a very surreal experience. Earlier we were sort of potting around. You had to do a couple of sign-on bits first thing when we got here, and it was, you know, Cole Fogarty here, Stuart Hill underneath, for example.
Walking out of the drivers' club with people waiting for autographs.
Oh yeah, 100%. Like, I remember when I came last time, we were in the same batch as the Formula 1 cars, and there was like Lando Norris went up, and then about 20 vehicles later I went up. I'm like, what is happening? So yes, it's an absolute privilege to be here. Thanks very much to BMW for sorting this out, and we're gonna get going and crack on and show you some stuff.
Yeah, I've got some 1550. I'm going to smother myself in. Cuteline 1550 for that extra protection. Cutelina. Pretty cool that we're going to be trying out the R12 GS for the first time actually at the hill.
That is cool.
The hill on the hill.
The hill on the hill.
Hill on the hill.
The Stuart Hill, Goodwood Hill, Goodwood Stuart Hill climb.
So funny.
He's gone. He's gone. What are you going to do when you're on the hill? You're going to pop some sick wheelies. Can you even wheelie? I can't.
No.
No. Okay, cool.
No.
Stick stoppies.
Six stoppies?
Six stoppies, yeah.
They were
like
at Glastonbury this year, I think.
What is it, Rory? Fine. Most expensive leg rest in the world, I think. All show, no go. Sorry. So, as we mentioned at the top of the video, whilst we were on the top deck of the BMW stand, Goodwood is a huge deal, and it's got a little special part of mine in Stu's heart. Just to give you a very quick background, obviously we are motorcycle customizers. We work with these BMW R90 and R12 bikes. Now, way back when, in 2015 I believe it was, we were commissioned to build our first BMW R90 bike, our first custom bike, by BMW, that sat on the first motorcycle stand for years to sit prime in the centre of Goodwood. So that was like a real benchmark big thing for Stu and I. So to be here 10 years later, with the opportunity for Stu to ride what is the new R12 G/S up the hill is absolutely unreal. Obviously this isn't your traditional sort of like motorsport bike, but you know, there's many different sections of bikes that are going up the hill today, including the one of the original R80 GSs, which did the Dakar in '85. Now that's the Lac Rose bike, which is really sort of popular inspiration for this bike and a lot of our custom builds before. So like, it's funny, you come somewhere like this and there's a sort of like sense of like PCC and BMW in history all sort of like knitted into one place. I mean, for what it's worth, Stu actually races bicycle races over the road here. We're no more than 20 miles from our workshop. So it really feels like a slice of home, having us, the team, the bike, the sun's out. It's just going to be an absolutely fantastic day. I'm very jealous that I can't do this and can't go up the hill with him. But, you know, it's Stu's turn. I went up on the PCA team before. That's it really. Before I get too emotional about it all, I'm going to send you off to Stu in a minute, who's going to be geared up and ready to go.
I'll give it a wiggle.
Oh yeah. That's lovely, mate. Okay, that's it. It's a little bit surreal now. Scrutineering's done, I'm kitted up. Helmet's been checked, leather's been checked. It really starts to feel real now. I'm freaking out. No, I'm kind of not freaking out, but just very excited. So, give you a quick run through as to what we just done. So, the leathers need to be checked, the helmet needs to be checked. Yeah, okay, it's not a race weekend, but it is still a motorsport event. We still have to sign all of our waivers and everything has to be scrutineered. So they want to check the helmet, they want to check the gloves, and they want to check the leathers and boots, make sure everything's safe. So it's a normal weekend for us when it comes to the racing, but we've got a hill climber at Goodwood, like, pretty incredible. So, first of all, first time out with the leathers. Big shout out to BMW Motorrad for sorting us out with these custom leathers. It is awesome. Giving these a run out and showing off our sponsors that have partnered with us for our race project. Big thanks to DNA, Rhizoma UK supplied by Performance Parts, RS2E, G&G, the guys up at Valkyrie to do our paintwork, and obviously the guys over at Baffle House over in Wales, the place to go to get you a nice cup of coffee. Anywho, scrutineering's done. The bike is just down there to the left-hand side. It's going to be a case of getting there, kitting up, heading to the holding pen, and then boo boo boo, hill climb time, baby.
How's that?
Dude, unreal. Unreal. I can't believe it happened. Blown away. Honestly, I tried to absorb every single moment, even though Rory nearly missed me. But it's okay, he didn't miss me. Unreal. Dude, honestly, I was sitting at the start line and I thought, just staring down there, man, this is a full circle. This is incredible. Just, man, like, the essence of the situation, just bloody brilliant. Thank you, Neil. Thank you. Honestly, welcome. Welcome. Thank you so much. I need no signature.
And why are you rushing around like a headless chicken?
Okay, so yeah, I can't spend too much time talking. So I've got a stag do to get to. Hey, boys. So it's up to you. You can either film me with my Mark Riboulet pants on, or you can cut the camera.
He's filming.